manufacturing. Today we have a Cameroon plant committed to us. Testing about the fish feed production line capacity is 1 ton per hour. So now you can see our Cameroon plant waiting. Yes. This is the page about our production line 1 ton per hour. So now you can check our engineer in the preparing of the machine. So first step, we switch off the boiler. The boiler, yeah. The boiler need around 20 minutes to wait in the temperature increase of the 100 degree temperature. Then this is the watch. Yeah, this is the watch. You can see the tube will be transporting the steam in the machine. First step, we switch all the button. Then waiting the conditioner temperature increase at 100 degree. Yeah. And you can see here, we let the moisture, the cold water, just go out. Then the conditioner is warm, temperature keeping 100 degree. Yeah. Just follow me. We check the raw material is ready. We will be start to produce this machine 1 ton per hour. Yeah. Today we testing 1 millimeter. Yeah, 1 millimeter floating fish feed pellet machine. Follow me. Can see at once. Wow. At once. The final product is very beautiful. 喝水吗？拿个盆。Very beautiful. 在地上塞那个。
Voilà les aliments pour les alevins. 1 mm. Très bon pour les alevins. 1 mm. Les aliments flottants. Aliment pour alevin, 1 mm, je fais par rapidement. Regardez. Aliment pour alevin, 1 mm, je fais par rapidement. Regardez.